I think about him, I think about it. It doesn't feel like 3 years. It feels like just yesterday it happened.
Almost 3 years ago, 16-year-old Jannai Dopwell-Bailey was stabbed and killed outside his school in Côte-de-Neige. One of the individuals involved in his death was a minor at the time and cannot be identified under the Youth Criminal Justice Act. On Friday, a Quebec youth court judge ruled that the individual, now 19 years old, will be sentenced as a minor.
Well, I'm very disappointed with the decision of the killing of my son.
The judge rejected the Crown's request to sentence the accused as an adult. The young man was 16 at the time of the murder and is now 19 years old. Inside the courtroom, the judge noted that his level of maturity, other behavioral issues, and cognitive challenges all played a role in her ruling.
We're happy with the decision. We respect the decision. It was a very careful taking decision. The judge read for a long period of time her decision.
In Canada, second-degree murder results in a life sentence with no chance of parole for 10 years. For youth, the maximum sentence is 7 years, with up to 4 years spent in custody.
It's no longer life that he's facing, so for us, that's what all matters at this point.
He's gonna come out very young and go on with his life, while I am home with my children and my husband, and we're suffering of the loss of my son. You know, it's not fair.
The other person in this case, 21-year-old André Donnet, was also found guilty of second-degree murder and was sentenced in June to life in prison and will be eligible for parole in 13 years. He was 18 years old during the time of the murder.
Both youths did the killing. Both youths have blood on their hands, and I don't think it's right for one to get a light sentence and the other. Both of them deserve life sentence.
The Crown prosecutor says they will take the time to analyze and process the decision. In the meantime, the next hearing is set for September 24th.
But I have a lifetime of thinking about my son every day and suffering and miss him tremendously.
In Montreal, Swidda, City News.